Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Saturday, September 30th. Time is around 5:50 GMT and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Wanda platform. So it's Saturday, markets are closed, but I will do a higher time frame analysis now, and I will also provide the lower time frame analysis for Monday, for next Monday. So here we are looking at the weekly chart, and my take on the DAX is that we did a wave one up here as in the higher degree, 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We end with divergence. The cycle is over. Then we came down in a corrective move, A, B, C. In my opinion, we fulfilled the minimum requirement for a wave 2, which is that we touched the 0.5 FIP retracement level. So if we take the length of our wave 1, then we know that the wave 2 should go here into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIP retracement. We touched this level and we went back up again. Now, if this is the wave 1 in the higher degree, this is the wave 2 in the higher degree, then we can go up as a wave 3, or I mean, this is the wave 3 target here. If we take the length of the wave 1, the length of the wave 2, then we know that the wave 3 should go into the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. Now, we will not go there as a straight line. We should go there as 5 waves. And so I believe we now did like the first wave in this higher degree, wave 3. I believe this wave here, this wave 1 is finished, and that we are now working on a wave 2. So this looks all very bullish. Of course, there is still an alternative. This is not my primary scenario. My primary scenario is indicated here in green, but the alternative could be that we are still working on this wave 2 here actually. Then it would look like we are doing like an expanded flat structure, be it as we come down here as a wave A in 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we have something corrective here, although it looks impulsive. Then this would be something corrective here as a wave B, overshooting wave B, taking out this high here, so overshooting wave B. And then we should drop as a wave C, 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, deeper into this area. This is from an Elliott Wave point of view, this is perfectly possible, but this is not my my primary scenario, because current price action is right here. This low was here, so there is quite some separation. So it makes more sense for now, like to look up, to approach the DAX in a bullish way. Okay, now what's important here is that here in the weekly we are in a downward cycle now, and this has some implications. Like, this was an upward cycle, as you can see, 5 waves up, we end with divergence. Downward cycle, we came down here, and then here again an upward cycle, and now it looks like this upward cycle was broken and we are forming a downward cycle. Now let's go to the daily. So here we are on the daily chart, and this here was our wave 2 low, and from here I believe we started a wave 1 up in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe this wave 1 here is finished. Like we have the pattern that I like to see, which is like a wave 1 here, a wave 2. We have an RSI trend line. Then, okay, we have our 3. The 4 breaks the RSI trend line, and then here wave 5 is ending with divergence. So until last week, there was a bit of doubt if, let me take out this these alerts. They are not relevant right now, and they might be a bit misleading. Okay, so until last week, we were a bit in doubt if this was a wave 4 or a wave 2. So what we already know is that it becomes unlikely to have a wave 4, because if we take the length of the wave 3, so suppose that this here is a wave 3, then we see that we crossed the 0.618 FIB retracement, and yeah, a wave 4 is not supposed to do this. So yeah, it becomes unlikely that this is 4. So it should be a 2 then. But then the question is, this is actually our wave 2 area. Will we have a shallow wave 2, or will we go deeper? So, like from where we are now in the higher time frame, there are actually 3 possibilities, I believe. So first of all, what you should know is what I showed you in the weekly, is that we are in a downward cycle. So this was an upward cycle. Now it looks like we have a downward cycle here. Now it can be that this cycle don't last for long. Like if we would start to move up from here, we have a full corrective move here, then it could mean here in the weekly that we break this RSI trend line, and that we start a new upward cycle. But for the moment, this is not the case. So we are in a downward cycle, and then there are 3 possibilities. Like one, like the bearish scenario I showed you in the weekly, is that we kind of drop like a stone from here as a wave C. So impulsive wave down to make a new wave 2 low. That's one scenario. Now, for me, for the moment, this does not really look not this does not look really plausible, because like we are acting now, this is corrective. This does not really look like an impulse with what we have now. However, it is something that could be possible. How can you protect you against this? Well, we are in a downward cycle in the higher time frame. You don't trade against the higher time frame then, and then it means you only take uh, short trades as long as we are doing this, as long as we are in this cycle. So this is a way to protect you against this, and of course, as always, also proper risk management. This is also a protection against a sudden and unexpected drop here as a wave C. So it's something that is possible, but it's not my my primary scenario. Then secondly, okay, we have a correction here, WXY, although we crossed the 0.618 FIB level, which is not really which is kind of a violation of the wave 4 rule. Like, okay, it is possible to go up from here, be it as a wave 2, shallow wave 2, or be it as a deep wave 4. Because as you can see here, we have like a full correction. W, X, Y, we have 3 swings, 1, 2, 3. We have the potential to go up from here. This is something that that can play out. And then what I would like to see here on the daily, yeah, we definitely need to break this trend lines here in the daily. This needs to happen to start an upward cycle here. And then third, as you can see, the wave 2 area is actually right here. So if we take the length of the wave 1, wave 2 is supposed to go to the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. As you can see, we did not reach this area, not at all. And so what is possible is that we do an additional corrective leg here. So that this WXY, so in green, WXY is part of a bigger WXY. And then we would have W, so 1, 2, 3, W, wave X, 1, 2, 3, and then again 1, 2, 3 down as a wave Y. And like if we follow this path, we have the potential to go into this area. If this is the wave W, like suppose the low is in here, then we already know the target for our wave X, which is the area that we can find by taking the length of the wave W, and then the wave X should go between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. Now, depending on, if we make next week another low here, for instance, then we have to recalculate this area again. But okay, this is how we should do it. So now the question is like, how will we decide if we have a full correction here, WXY, or we do an additional corrective leg, then here as a wave X, and then again WXY? Well, the only thing to figure out will be to look at this structure here. If we look at the 4-hour, then if this is finished, it means that the move that we should have here, it should be impulsive. Like if it is corrective, like if we see again A, B, C, or something more complicated like a triangle or whatsoever, any corrective structure, with X can be any corrective structure, then it means that we have to prepare for another leg down. If it is impulsive, then chances are high that this here is finished and that we are ready to move up. Be it as a wave 5, I know the wave 4 guidelines are violated, but we will only know in a few weeks then what it exactly has been. Be it as a shallow wave 2. So this is what we have to monitor next week, or the next weeks. Maybe this does not play out only in 1 week here, this move, because it can be corrective. So this is what we have to monitor, and then we have to decide in a later phase if this becomes a double correction as a WXY, or if we are finished here. So I put like the WXY here in green as primary scenario as a finished correction, but the truth is, like from here I cannot know this, like if it will be the primary scenario or here the secondary scenario. From here the truth is that I cannot know this. I have to wait till what I see exactly here, if this is impulsive or not. And yeah, this is how we have to do it. I think we have to analyze and then depend on the direction we have to take, position in the right direction, and then we have to see what exactly happens. Like if you manage to go long here, you do the long, and then you see if it is impulsive or not. If it is corrective, at some point you take profit, and then we have to initiate the short again. So we have to see what's coming here. And then yeah, for Monday on the lower time frame, like I forecasted yesterday, I was expecting like a fourth wave up. So far we had what we need to have. Like we had a move up. This could be our fourth wave. We kind of almost reached the limits of this wave 4. So this is the wave 4 area here. If we take the length of our wave 3, then yeah, here the area between the 0.146 and the 0.618 FIP retracement is the area where the wave 4 should go. We kind of reached the limits. Maybe, yeah, we can make one more high. It looks like, as a wave 4, it looks incomplete. Like, I would say this is the A, this is the B. Then here we have a C wave, but for now it looks like the C wave is in 3 waves instead of 5. 1, 2, 3. So if I look at the internals, I would not be surprised that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and still a 5 on Monday here, and then go down again as a wave 4. However, yeah, if we take out this level here, then the chance is that something like this here is playing out in red, the secondary scenario: a wave 1 up, a wave 2, 3, 4, 5, and then actually this might be an A wave, B, C of the alternative scenario, of the secondary scenario. So a corrective move here as a wave X, A, B, C, or it can be the first impulse here of an impulsive move up. That's also possible. We have to see on Monday. However, if we would come down again, take out this low. So if this is the wave 4, then this is the wave 5 here, and then this Y structure here looks complete. What's important then, like here on the 4-hour, yeah, we need to have divergence. Maybe ideally we really go into this area. This would be kind of perfect, and then from here, and yeah, a long trade can be initiated in my opinion. Then here we really have the full correction WXY. We reached the equal leg area then if we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, and then here we have the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. And then, yeah, what you should see here is yeah, 5 waves down in the internals: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because it is a 5th wave, so it should be an impulse, also ending with divergence. And yeah, then we really have the complete structure, I would say. So yeah, let's see on Monday how this further evolves here. So don't be surprised if we make one more high here, even as a 4th wave, and then we come down then. Now, if we go beyond this level, then it looks like the wave 4 was somewhere hidden here, like I explained on